Leisure Travel Vans, we are in the beautiful Tonto National Forest here in Arizona in the desert, looking absolutely gorgeous. And we thought, wow, what a great place to introduce a brand new special edition decor package called Desert Shadow. And you can get this package on any Unity floor plan for 2026. Okay, let's talk about all the things that are included in the Desert Shadow package. Starting off with our beautiful Canyon exterior paint, each color painted 3 times, 2 coats of clear. Big standard feature is black Alcoa aluminum rims. Remember, we use 6 Alcoa rims, all done in black. Also, we have a great option. You can add the all-terrain tires to the package if you want that off-road look. All of our badging is done in black. Of course, we have the Desert Shadow badge right here. Raised lettering on the Unity, all done in black. If you order the optional outside table, it's all done in black, which looks really good. And as you work our way behind the motorhome, of course, we have our beautiful black taillight bezels. Looks absolutely fantastic. Look at all the black badging, all raised. I always tell people nothing looks like a Unity motorhome. The beautiful curved walls, molded fiberglass, absolutely beautiful. Hey, if you think that's great, and it absolutely is, come on, let's go inside the motorhome and let's see what you get on the package. We're inside a Unity twin bed with the Desert Shadow package. You can get this package on any Unity floor plan for 2026. Let's start off with this beautiful Dune Ultra fabric. And look at the driver passenger seats are done in 2-tone. Wow, does that look incredible. We got our Leisure logo there. Of course, we have the swivel seats, but look how gorgeous those Ultra fabric chairs are. The black in the chairs is all perforated, so it's gonna keep you nice and cool in the hot desert sun. And then over here, we've got the Mist solid Corian countertops. And the Desert Shadow package always comes with the Rift oak wood color. And then we have a special upper cabinet color called Stone, kind of ties it all together. I love the black hardware. We call this our black accent package, and you can get the black accent package on any Unity or Wonder motorhome in 2026, even if you don't order the Desert Shadow package. Hey, we're just in the bathroom area on a twin bed. Once again, this package is available on all Unity floor plans, but you can see all the black hardware looks absolutely fantastic. The Mist countertops, all done there, right? All the handles are done in black. Plus, even in the shower area, all the hardware, your shower head, all of your handles are all done in black. It's absolutely beautiful. Wow, what a beautiful special edition Desert Shadow available on all Unity motorhomes for 2026. And of course, we have the brand new door for 2026. Ties right in with our Canyon exterior paint job. Look at those black Alcoa rims. Of course, the optional all-terrain tires. Make sure that you go and see your local Leisure Travel Van dealer and order the Desert Shadow special edition package. If you happen to have a 2026 Unity motorhome on order, make sure you contact your selling dealer and change it on over to the Desert Shadow package. You can also go to our build and price. You can price out a Leisure Travel Van. You can add the package on our website, www.leisureVans.com. We really appreciate you watching the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel because we have lots more content coming. Smash that bell. Make sure you go and see your local Leisure Travel Van dealer and see the brand new Desert Shadow special edition motorhome live. Hey, we're in the Arizona desert. We're with our Desert Shadow package. I'm gonna do a little hiking. Hopefully I don't get bit by a rattlesnake or anything. Dean from Leisure Travel Vans.